Welcome to Cambridge Primary Maths Workbook 4. Today we are going to start Chapter 9, Comparing, Rounding and Dividing. Let's start with exercise 9.1. In question 1, we need to round few numbers to the nearest 10. So if the number in the ones place is equal or greater than 5, increase the number in the tens place, or if the number is less than 5, do not change the number. Question 2, question 3 and question 4 are similar to our previous work, so I'm not explaining those questions. You can just match your answers. In question 5, we need to round all these numbers that are even and greater than 6160 and lesser than 6170. So let's write all the numbers that can be a part of our range. These are the numbers. You can choose any number from them. Next question is all about rounding again. So just remember one important point about rounding, that if you're rounding a thousands number, all place values smaller than 1000 will come as 0. In question 8, we have again given a range. We have to write a number that is greater than 3160 and less than 3190, but it should be a multiple of 10. Only two numbers come in this range, 3170 and 3180. Write any one from them in the given box. In question 9, there are 4 digits 2, 3, 5 and 7. You have to make 5 4-digit numbers using each number once. In next line, you have to write these numbers in an order from the largest number to the smallest number. That's it. Moving on, 3509 will be rounded to 4000. 34,999 when rounded to nearest 10,000 will be rounded to 30,000 because we have 4 in our 1000 place. And when we have to round it to the nearest 100,000, we will see at what is given in the 10,000 place. In next question, you have just given few numbers in the boxes. You have to write the selected number according to the greater than and smaller than sign. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Let's start 9.2, which is the division of 2 digits numbers. In question 1, we have 24, which must be divided by different numbers. So when you divide a number by different numbers, sometimes it is completely divisible and sometimes it has a remainder. Those numbers which completely divides a number are the multiples of that number. In next question, a jug holds 2 liters and we need to make 26 liters. So we'll divide 26 by 2. Let's understand long division method. You have to divide a number, you will write it like this. Now look at the terms. We have 2 and 6. First we will try to solve 2. Just ask yourself how many 2's you will be required to make 2 or lesser than 2. We need 1 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's subtract this 2 from the down 2. We have nothing left, 0. Let's bring out our second number here, which is 6. Now ask yourself how many times 2 will be required to make 6. So we'll require 3 times 2. 2 3s are 6. Let's subtract this 6 from that 6 and it will also 0. This is simply how you divide a number. Now when you multiply 2 times 13, it is also 26. In this way, we need 13 jugs to make 26 liters of juice. These are the other two problems, 91 divided by 7 and 96 divided by 8, which will be done in the same way. Our next question is also a problem sums. Ali buys 48 tennis balls. These balls are in pack of 3. So 48 divided by 3 will be 16. Next question required more attention. Look carefully. There are 3 problems and 2 equal sign. It means that the answer of these 3 problems should be same. Look at first 8 divided by 2, which is 4. It means that 4 will be the answer of all of them. So which number will be divided by 4 to get 4? 16 will be divided by 4 then the answer will be 4, and 32 divided by 8 will be 4. So 16 and 8 are the answers of these boxes. And when you divide 22 pencils, there will be 7 children who get 3 pencils and you will have 1 pencil left. In next question, Rose needs to pack 62 cakes, so she will take 8 boxes so that she can easily pack her 62 cakes in 8 boxes. Next question, Paul will have 8 full pages of photos and then she will left with 4 photos in her hand. Here are 4 numbers, 65, 75, 85 and 95. When they are divided by 7, these are their respective reminders, 2, 5, 1 and 4. We need to circle with reminder 1, that is 85. In next question, we have given two circles. Let's look at the fourth circle. 7 and 21 are the only two numbers that are given together. All the other numbers have only one number. So let's try to solve these numbers. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So we know that the central number is 3. Now we can solve the rest of the number by using the following pattern. And in this way, you can solve the other circle too. In next problem, you cannot buy a half coconut. That's why you will use only $14 and you will round down. And next, you need to count only full bags, which will be 3 bags full. So you will also round down here. And in the next problem, you need to take 50 pupils. So you will round up. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.